Okay, get yourself a stocking, get some flowers, maybe some ribbons, some kind of little decoration, maybe some little ornaments, and we are going to make a door decoration. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start out by laying my pieces out and deciding where I want them and what I actually want to use. I'm thinking of this tree as a background for my little snowman. And guys, the Dollar General, if you have one close to you, I never realized till I moved out here to the country what great finds you could get at the Dollar General, but I often drive right past it and forget to stop. So I stopped the other day to look for something I needed for a craft and found they had all these great deals on Christmas items. So they're a better deal than the $1.25 tree. I'm thinking like this. And then maybe put some of these snowflakes around for this part. Now I have this big snowflake that I thought about putting on a bow up here, or maybe up here in the flowers, but I'll have to see about that when I get there. So for right now, I'm just going to try to lay this out and figure out my plan and make sure where I want everything before I glue anything down. Now these are stick-on stickers, but of course I'm going to put everything with my hot glue. And after I get it decorated, I'm going to put some stuffing in the inside. And since I'm making it for a door decoration, yeah, I think this kind of works. So I think for a door decoration, I need to put plastic like Walmart bags or something on the inside. So in case it is damp outside, that it won't get destroyed. But if you're going to put it on an inside door, you could use tissue paper or maybe some wrapping paper, some craft paper. I often try to use what I already have rather than purchasing items for a project. But I was there at the Dollar General and they had all these cute little things. I already had the stocking. So really I've got $4 into the decorations, which is not bad. I might need to add more snowflakes later, but I have plenty, depending on what ends up happening up here. Now look how quick and easy that was. So we've got this going on so far. Now I'm going to get some plastic bags to put down inside of it. We don't want it too puffy because we do want it to lay against the door. I think I'm going to, well, could glue the tree down or just leave it for that three-dimensional look. I think I'm going to leave it like that. How these are three-dimensional, puffy. Leave it like that. Alright. Now, all we have to do is get some of our flowers. And I got these at the Dollar General as well. Oh, this might be from the Dollar Tree. No, I think the Dollar General had a sale on the flowers. I know I want to use a bunch of these red ones. And they'll bring out the red from the snowmen. So let me tuck some of these in and then we'll see what else we need to go with it. I also got these big candy pieces. Look how cute these are, and they were 50 cents a piece. I only got 2. They were half price. And when I got home and decided I loved them so much, I went back and they'd already sold out of all of them. But I might put some of those in here. I haven't decided quite yet. You know what I think? I'm going to put a foam piece in here. That way they'll stay how I sort them. Alright, I'm just going to put it in like this and stick the flowers in. Because I can stick them on the side, on the top. And it'll just sit there on top of the plastic bag. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of this white stuff. I have some pine cones that I collected up out in the yard that I thought would be cute. We'll figure out where they're going to go here in a minute. As soon as I figure out where my scissors are. I don't know if y'all are like this, but I have a bunch of scissors, but only one pair that I really like, one pair that's really good. Because I'm bad about using my flowers out in the yard, cutting flowers, cutting dog nails, no telling what. I'm not good to my scissors. I'm going to push the leaves up too so that there's a little more greenery. We don't want it to just get stuck down in the stocking. See how these are all stuck down in there? Hold them up. You know these need to stand up straight so it'll lay flat against the door. But I want some in the front to kind of bend down. And I've got these other ones too, but I'm not sure how they would actually look. Okay, now I'm going to glue that in here, this styrofoam, once I'm sure that I like everything the way it is. Now let me put a big bow and then we'll see where we need like one of these candies or some pine cones. These might be cute in here, or they might be too much. Okay, I wish I had some red for right here, but I do not. But I think once this gets made and I put this in the center of it, I think these are going to be too much. I'm thinking about the pine cones in there. But let me show you how I make my bows. You just pull off about 2 feet. If you want a really big bow, I usually do it an arm's length 3 times. I just pull it to the end of my arm 3 times. This one's going to make a smaller bow, but it's because I have the small ribbon. If you have the big wide ribbon, you can make huge, beautiful bows. So you just take it like this and roll it up the whole length of it. However wide you have it is how big your bow is going to be, and I think my bow needs to be bigger than that. About there ought to be good. And then you just wind it up. You can tape that piece inside if you need to. You get it all wound up, flatten it, cut a little V on each end. Junkie scissors. Junkie. Now flatten it back down the way you had it. And you're just going to tie a piece around the center. I like to tie a long piece so I can leave the ends of it hanging down. Or if you're wrapping a package, you can make them super long so that it'll wrap around the package. And then all you do is you grab the inside piece and you bend it forward from one side to the other side. I've got this kind of silky ribbon. Doesn't want to come out. But you see how I'm pulling out? I'm trying to pull out. And then pull it really hard to the center. And pull out one from the other side. Pull it really hard to the center. These bows are really super simple if you don't have this glossy ribbon. And you're going to do this on both sides, obviously. Okay, and if you were just making it for a normal bow, I normally put them on my package and then I go back and really work it around, get it, where it stands up. Anyway, that's how it would normally go. But since I'm putting my item in the center, mine's going to go kind of flat. Then I'm going to have my item right there. Now, to finish off this top, I think I'm going to end up using these pine cones because they're good filler to fill in all those gaps. You see? Gives it kind of a rustic look. So all that's left to it is to glue that styrofoam in the back and then put these pine cones on. And make sure that my little hanger is out. And you can bend your flowers around. Give it a little life. And then see where you have a hole that you need to fill it in. Like right here. I love having all these pine cones here in the RV park I'm in because they're good for a lot of crafts. They're good for starting fires. They're good for composting. They're great little treasures. I should have gotten some big ones. Actually, I had a bunch sitting up here on the island, and my cat kept getting them in the night and destroying them. So I threw a bunch of them out that she had destroyed. I need to go collect some more. See how that fills that in nicely? See, this wasn't what I planned when I started, but I'm kind of liking it. Looks like a stocking full of pine cones with just some flowers interspersed. I'm good with that. And these big ones definitely fill it in quickly. So I think I'm going to go with this. We are about to get a bunch of rain. So I'm hoping we don't have power problems before I get this video finished. I need to speed up. Hold on, Jeffrey. Hold up, baby. Oh, he ain't holding up. So even these little broken pieces, I was thinking when you don't want a full one, you just have a little hole. Because God don't make no junk. It's all usable. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.